Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarvana from aforanalytics, and in this video, we're gonna see about how to create a date table in Power BI. Stay tuned. So in this video, we have a very simple report and a very simple data model. So in this model, we have five tables, which is loan, property, loan deal, mandate. So let's say we have a requirement, we need to create a date table in the data model. We can use that table across all the data model reports, all the reports in the Power BI. So how to create it? So there are two ways to create it. The first way, to create a separate column as a separate DAX. So how? So I'm gonna create a simple table. So new table. So I can name it as date table, right? So I'm gonna use a function called calendar. So I'm gonna mention two dates: start date and the end date. So it's gonna be very simple. So I'm gonna use 1 I'm gonna data from 2018 January 1st to um 2031st December of 2019. Okay, so I'm gonna click enter, and if you look at the data for this date table, you can see the data from 28th of January 1st to 31st 12 2019. So let's say I need another column to create a month number. So how we can do that is, so I'm gonna create another column. So month number, so month of, so date. Alright, so we will get a month number. If you want a week number, so we can do the same stuff. Week number, week num, and within a date, date. So this will give the week number, and so on. We can create as much as a column we need to have it. So let's say I don't want to do like this, so I don't want to waste my time creating each and every one. So if I want to create another date table in another report, so I need to do the same stuff. So what if there is a single script, single DAX, I can reuse it to another report and also create this date table in a simple way. So I'm gonna show you the second method, which is gonna be the second one. So I already have a DAX, which I got it from SQL BI, so which is a wonderful post, so which I dropped the links in the comment below in the description box. You can get it from there. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna explain you. So I'm gonna remove this table, and I'm gonna explain you the script line by line, so what it's doing. Okay, it's deleting. So now back to the modeling, new table. So we're gonna paste it, so the date table. So let's do the analysis. So we have created a variable called base calendar, so where we trying to get data from 2018 January 1st to 2020 of December 31st. So sounds logic, right? So let's say we need a separate column. So how to generate that? So to generate that, so we need to use a function called generate. So we need to have a fundamental basic calendar, so which we already have it. So we already provided it, and so these are the list of variables, list of columns we need to. So I'm gonna just return that in each column, so which is simplify that. So when I click it, so I will have a separate table, so which I can take this script and do and copy and send it to another person, or use it in another report for myself. So so let's create a simple table with this thing, you know. So we have a date, we have a month number, year number, and so on. Whatever, if we want to create another one, we can do it. And let's say, and I have this date table, so which cannot be we cannot do any data transformation in this table because it is a DAX table. So we cannot do the data transformation here. So when you go to the data transformation, you can't see that table in the query editor. So so whatever you need to do, you need to do it in the DAX itself. So I gonna, you know, link provide a relationship between the loan table and the date table. So this is the key column. So I have a very minimal data, so it's gonna create a one-to-one relationship with a bullseye direction. So I can have it and reuse it to any number of reports I can. So it is a very simple thing. And if you already have a date table from your data sources, most of our data warehouses will have that. If you have that, that is totally fine. You need to create a separate date table in a Power BI. And in the rare case scenario, in exceptional cases, if you want to create a date table, so this is one of the best way to do that. And you can use that table for the filters in the report, and use this date table and data model as a centralized model and create a bunch of reports below them. You can do that as well. And that's all from my side. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below. And if you see any other video which is better than this, please make sure you have the link also in the comments. And have a good day. See you. Bye.